Good morning, everyone. It's our third day here in Amanpulo, and for today, we'll do a tour of the island. So tara, sama kayo, gala tayo. Okay, let's go to breakfast. Okay, dito na tayo sa beach club. Dito ulit tayo mag-breakfast for today. Good morning, waters of Amanpulo. Ang ganda mo pa rin. Katat. Grabe, high tide ngayon and mas maganda. Ganda ng tubig. Okay, dito na breakfast natin. I have the English breakfast and then different types of croissants and pastries and eggs benedict. Si Pipoy longganisa and egg and bacon. Tapos si Cyril, syempre, bacon scrambled egg and rice. Right?
But there's no rice here.
Oh, where's the rice? Okay. Kain na tayo. Let's start first with the hot chocolate. Ang sarap. It's thick. It's good. Siyempre yung bacon, good na yan. Natikman natin yesterday. Let's try the sausage. Hot. And there's sourdough. Ito yung Danish nila. Ang ganda ng blueberry. Ay, hindi pala blueberry to. Blackberry. This one, I'm excited about. The eggs benedict. Let's try it. Oh my god, that runny egg. So good. Okay, careful. Just be careful. Sarap. Kain muna kami. Okay, tapos na kami mag-breakfast. Let's do the island tour.
And then afterwards, the guest assistant, I will just drop you to the clubhouse.
Okay.
And then they will continue the island tour and the casita tour.
Okay, perfect. Thank you. So, we're gonna do the villa tour and then the casita tour. This is Francis, the villa
No po.
supervisor.
Hi
Thank
po.
you so much, ha?
Yes po.
Alright, let's
My
go.
pleasure po. This one is already set up po. So this one is a 2-bedroom villa.
Okay.
So this is located on the west side of the island, which is this one is a sunset view. So I'll just give you a brief description all of the villas around the island. So we do have like 17 villas. So this one is located in the north. We do have in the center, which is we call the West Villas, and in the southern part we call it Lagoon Villas.
Okay.
So for the units of the villa, actually we do have 11 units of a 4-bedroom villa. We have two units of a 3-bedroom villa. We have a 3 units of a 2-bedroom villa, and we do have only 1 unit of a 1-bedroom villa.
Okay.
So for now, I will just show you a 2-bedroom villa. So approximately this one is located, as I mentioned a while ago, in the west side of the island.
Alright.
Yes. The chef, and then we also have a housekeeping and as well a groundkeeper. So we have a butler, means that they're the one who will be assisting you throughout your stay, and then at least you have a chef. They're the one who will be catering you when it comes to the food, because since you have a butler and chef, you can have breakfast, lunch, dinner in the villa.
Okay.
So it depends on you what will be your menu for each day as long as the ingredients is available in the island po.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
And is that yung rate noon kasama na ba sa villa rate?
Yes,
Different?
kasama na po sa villa rate yun.
Okay.
When it comes to the activities and then the food rates is separate, but the service of the butler chef included na po once you're check-in in the villa po.
I see. Okay.
Has arrival guest today.
Okay.
So this one I can show you.
Okay.
But the same size, same unit. It's just the same. As you can see in the front, this one we call it the living pavilion. This
Okay.
one is like a common area of the guests, which is we have a T-section. We do have like a lounge area on the side, the outdoor one, and then we have the dining pavilion on the right side, and in the center we do have this one is the living room.
Wow.
So this one is composed. You have like a sala here. You can have like a common area which all of the guests is all settled by here.
Oh, wow.
This
So
is the
nice.
room.
Ito yung pinaka-living room area.
Yes, this
na.
is the living room area.
Oh, and the TV is huge. By the way, yung mga TV pala nila rito, it's smart TV na.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, and here you have the dining area to.
Yes, this is the dining area. So we do have like a coffee machine. We do have like everything over here. Tea service, coffee service. And then we can do have like an indoor dining here as well.
Nice. Okay. And then, saan tayo dito?
Yes, we do.
Okay.
And then as you can see, we have some house spirit over here in our bar trolley. So in case the guest wants to do some cocktails, then they are pleasure to make their own cocktails.
Oh, okay. And here are the rates.
Yes, the prices.
Okay. Sige, let's check out the outdoor area.
So this is the outdoor lounge that we call it. This one is the lazy bed area, which is the guests can do some reading of books. We do have activities like that. They can rest or siesta every afternoon. As well, we can do like a setup here if they want to eat here in the lazy.
You know what I really like dito sa Amanpulo? Kahit yung mga ganito niya, yung mga lounge bed nyo,
Yes, po.
kahit wala yung cover, although linis ng cover, pati yung pinaka-bed itself is really clean.
Yes.
No, wala ka makikitang kahit anong stain.
Yes, exactly. You're right po. Actually, that's why we used to put some covers. You're right. Even though there's nothing stains and everything, but we put some covers as well to protect as well. If ever you want to, you want to take a rest.
Kasi
If you feel like comfortable as well.
yeah, maarte kasi ako sa mga gano'n. So, I'm very, usually pag nagpupunta ako sa mga ibang hotel, I still spray like Lysol or whatever. Pero dito sa Amanpulo, I don't do that.
Thank
Kasi
you so
everything
much
is like really clean, no grime at all.
Thank you. So by the way, all of the villa has their pool. As well, we have the beach pool beds. As well, we do have a beach area beds as well on the beach front. So all of the villa has a beach access po.
Oh my God, can we check this
Yes,
out?
certainly po.
So this two-bedroom villa, the rates go anywhere from how much?
This one is approximately like six to seven,
6 to 7,000 USD per night, no,
Yes, per
depending
night.
on the season.
depending on the season.
Okay. And then, can I?
Yes, certainly po.
Sige. Let's check out the path to the beach. Oh my God, the privacy talaga, no?
Yes po.
Tas tanaw yung Kawayan Bar dito.
Yes, and then the famous one, the Manamok Island.
Yeah.
Po.
So, most of the staff, di ba, dyan nakatira
Yes po.
sa Manamok
Yes
Island?
Po. So mostly the percentage of our staff lives there as well. They're working here. So every day they go home and then every morning they come back in the island.
Oh, so how long is the travel time?
It's like the travel time. It depends. Like for my experience, it's like I experience like 35 minutes if the boat is very fast. But mostly it's like 1 hour for yung boat ride.
Oh, ayan siya. That's the, wait, let me just, yeah. The Manamok Island. Okay. And then dito yung mga beach beds niya.
Yes po.
Oh my God, ang ganda rito. It's so nice. Okay, can we check out one of the rooms?
Certainly po. the one that I will show you, this one.
Okay.
So basically, if you're going to a 4-bedroom villa, so the usual thing is we have a 2-bedroom in the front, and then a 2-bedroom at the back, and in the middle, as I said a while ago, this is the living pavilion. So,
Okay. And it's almost the same naman, no?
yes,
Yung
all
number
of the
lang
same.
ng ano.
Yung number lang po ng
bedroom.
kasita and bedroom po. Actually, this one for me is the best 2-bedroom villa for me because it's like connected to each
Oo,
other.
yeah.
So when it comes to, if ever like for you, you have a kid, if you want independently to sleep by herself, so it's easily to run to your
Maybe
bedroom.
when she's 18, kasi ngayon umiiyak pa siya. The first time we were here, paggabi, bata pa siya no, mga 3, umiiyak siya kasi
Oo,
madilim.
madilim.
Ngayon wanna go home. Tapos ngayon naman, narinig niya yung tuko. Iyak siya ng iyak ng gabi.
Kasi po, hindi kasi siya usual nakakarinig ng ganung.
Oo. Okay. Oh, I see. So the layout is parang
That's
sa
the same
ano.
with your casita.
Yeah, the beach casita. But this one has a really, really nice view kasi tingnan mo oh, almost not 360 pero everywhere you look. Ang ganda. Okay, and I assume the bathroom is the same, no?
Yes, well, that's the same.
Okay. Nice. Yeah, so this one is exactly the same as our casita. Okay.
So actually, that's why I show you this one. You're right, because when you woke up, the beach is already
Yeah,
seen
look
by
at
the
that.
sun.
Grabe, no?
Parang ayaw nyo na pong umalis.
Oo. Actually, kung dito ako nagsi, baka hindi na nga eh.
Kaya, Miss Abigail, most of our guests, like, if their last night here, and then they will always saying, we don't want to go home yet.
Oo
we
nga.
want to stay forever.
What is the number of this villa? Villa number?
Villa 33 po.
33. Okay. Thank you so much.
You're welcome po. So afterwards, the villa tour, I will just assist you with the guest assistant to continue the island tour and the casita tour.
Okay. Yung yung sustainability nyo,
Yes po.
grabe kasi ito yung solar parang one year or 1.5 pa lang siya, no?
Opo, tama po.
Tapos 60 to 70% yung napapower niya for the island.
Yes.
That's so nice.
Parang at least naka-help tayo sa nature.
Oo.
Oo.
Yun yung pinag-uusapan namin ng husband ko, yung sustainability rito. Grabe. Sabi ko, wala kang makikitang single-use plastic. Tapos, basta lahat well thought of.
Okay, so we're here na po. So,
Alright. Hello. Hello, good morning.
My name is Janko and I'll take care of you during the tour, this time from France.
Alright, thank you so much. Thank you, Francis.
Thank you so
You
much
have a good day. Alright.
hope to
Thank
see
you.
you around po.
See you
Enjoy
around.
your day po. Thank you.
Alright. Actually, maybe we can start here dito sa sa clubhouse. So pakita ko lang, this is their clubhouse. And this is the main pool, no? Mm-mm. So this is their main pool. Hindi na tayo lalapit doon kasi medyo mainit. Pero yan, I'll just show you the main pool. And then you have the shop here, no?
Yes, that is right, Miss Abigail.
Okay.
So I'll lead you to the shop. So regarding with the pupo that's open from 7 a.m. to 6 p.m. only.
Okay.
So, for us to give some privacy to the guests during dinner time.
Okay.
So we have the lobby bar here as well. And then have the room and the library as well.
I haven't been to the library yet.
Would you like to take a look?
Yes, let's take a look. Oh, I've been here before. I remember. Pero for this trip, hindi pa. Yeah.
For guests to have business meetings.
Oh, so if you have, do you need to book this in advance?
No, it's always first come first serve basis.
Okay.
So whenever you need it, even at night time.
Wow, talaga?
Yeah, you can put privacy sign there.
Nice. It's a Do other guests take their merienda here?
Some of the guests offer.
Okay.
Before, but this is where the afternoon tea is served.
Oh,
That's
okay.
why. And then we moved it outside because it's so guests can just walk around,
Yes.
get some snacks, stay here or at the poolside.
Mhm. Sige. And then let's go check out the,
So, boutique.
yeah, the boutique. You have the stargazing tonight, no?
Oh, it's done na po no Wednesday.
Oh my
Only have that
gosh!
on Wednesday lang
I
po.
thought Friday nights, sayang we missed it.
We changed it na po to Wednesday.
Sayang. Okay.
So we have these room boys for the clothes.
Okay.
Among clothes, we also have some concessionaires.
So prepare to be shocked. I'll show you some of the prices. So let's say, for example, this hat. Let's see. Oh, sorry. Can you hold this? Thank you. This one is 57,000. Diba? Let's show a couple more. Sige. This one, the cap.
The cap. This one naman po is just an Aman Pulo cap.
Yeah. Usually, before, I think you gave us one.
Aman Pulo cap.
This one is how much? Ah,
Oh,
wala.
It's not. Yeah.
Ah, wala yung
This one
price.
costs around 8,000
Okay.
pesos. But for the Aman cup po, that check.
Yeah.
That's a different. This one po is our Aman.
Ayan, that one.
This one po is a little bit more.
35,000. Oh.
This one has the Aman logo din po. So
Yeah, and I like it. It's discreet. Hindi siya yung super,
That's right.
like, aman pulo talaga, no? It's just the letter A. Okay, and let's see. This one, it's a dress.
yeah. This is one of our concessionaires dress
Oh,
po.
so sila yung gumagawa.
Yes. So it's the name from like the Aman.
May price ba siya?
For this one po, yes po, this one po is 75,000.
75,000 for this dress. Okay, pamain na lang po. Alright, sige. I think that's it for the shop. And you have an idea magkano yung mga bilihin dito. Okay. Thank you. You have jewelry. Is it okay to video?
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay. Let's take a look at the jewelries. Oh my God, ang ganda nito. Buti na lang hindi ako mahilig sa sa jewelries. What's the most expensive jewelry here? Where is it?
We have the price of 4 million po.
4 million.
I think yung earrings.
Ito yon. Okay. So, yung Mother's Day is coming up, dads. Prepare your wallets. Alright, let's take a look at the others.
These naman po are from Jewelmer. I'm sure you're familiar with Jewelmer.
Yes. Okay. Alright, sige. So, I think that's it for the jewelries. Thank you.
The jewelries and then the homewares as well. I'd like to take a look
This is a what?
for the homewares po.
Oh, this is like what you have sa
You
bathroom.
liked it?
Yeah. I really like the sustainability here.
We promote sustainability.
Yeah. Oh, diba? This is soap?
Yeah, that is right. That's so. Aman po.
Is it similar dun sa soap nyo na pinaprovide?
Inside the Casita, actually this one po is
Ah, different. Okay. Okay. Ang cute naman itong turtle. Oh, sorry. Ah, it's a jewelry holder pala.
Yeah, jewelry.
5,000. Uy, ito, in fairness, not bad. 5,000.
Yeah, we have some earrings. This one is just a new addition since here on the island we have a lot of monitor lizards or
Yeah.
bayawaks, the dolphin and
All right. Okay.
that's that.
Sige. Where are we going next?
So
Thank you.
since you visited the yeah, we can check out some casitas as well. But the highest category that we have, which is the beach pool casita, are all occupied as of the
Oh,
moment.
unfortunately.
Yes,
Okay, yun pa naman yung gusto kong makita sana. Okay,
yes
that's
po,
fine.
but we do have the treetop casita and then the deluxe hillside casita. I can show you now.
Okay.
Although it has stairs though.
Okay.
But yeah, all of the casitas naman po looks the same. It's just that the location.
The
is a little
location.
different.
Yeah, I'm actually curious about that. Sabi ko, saan kaya dito yung mga treetop? Tsaka how do they get there? So,
That's right. We
sige.
can go there.
Okay, let's go.
Well, although they don't have their own beach access, unlike your casita that has its own, they can just go to the beach club or at the picnic group for swimming.
Okay.
So, yeah, maybe you'd like to
Alright.
take a look.
Yes, please.
Medyo iba pa yung setup at we love it when we can go home for like a week or two.
Tapos, kapag and that doesn't count as your vacation leave, no? Parang yun yung off nyo. Dire-diretso.
We can file it po as a vacation leave and then we can accumulate the days off po kasi. So, yeah, the company is generous enough to give us more day offs naman.
Nice. Okay. So sila, 3 months, they can go home from Puerto Princesa City.
Yeah, purposes.
So every 3 months, they can go home
Yeah.
for about a week or 2.
Yeah, but the locals po who lives sa neighboring islands po, they can go home every day, of course.
Dun sa Manamok.
Sa Manamok po. Or sa the other island naman po. We can see it from here then. So I'll be showing you the Casita 30.
Okay.
Although we can go to the location, it's up to you po if you'd like to go up pa. Or we can go up na lang po sa 40, which is the deluxe hillside.
Sige.
So,
Sige, let's... this one is the treetop casita.
yes, this one is the street up casita. For this casita, similar to other hillside casita, however, it has no view or sea view, only surrounded by trees.
Okay.
So first is this casita 30. So looks like this.
Okay.
So as you can see po, it has stairs of course, but the size of the room is still the same compared to your casita.
Sige, let's check it out. Yes, please. It's not too bad.
So,
Kala ko sobrang taas ng eh.
but
This is the lowest, sorry for the lack of better term, yung lowest rate na lang, ganon.
sorry po, this morning it's clean, however due to the
Yeah.
wind.
It's fine.
Yeah. Okay.
Magkano nga ito nag-start per night?
For this one po, it really depends on the
On the
package
season.
that they're gonna be getting and on the season.
Sige,
as
I'll
well.
just put the rate here. Pero, this is the most affordable accommodation dito sa Amanpulo. Oh, sorry.
Oh, it's okay po.
No, it's okay. It's fine. Oh, it's almost the same.
It's just the same.
Okay.
So, ito lang. These are the cushions from the, lang.
From the outside. Kaya ang linis-linis talaga dito sa Amanpulo. Kasi pinapasok nila pag walang guest. Yan.
Kailangan po ma-maintain ito.
Yeah. And then the bathroom is also the same.
Yes. Oh, turn na lang muna.
Yes. Yan. Sorry, medyo hinihingal pa ako. Yeah. Okay.
Just the same layout po. The only difference is the location lang.
Yeah, wala lang siyang beach access, no?
Wala po siyang beach access and then surrounded by trees lang po yung treetop.
Yeah, so yun lang yung wala rito. Like, yung view of the beach, di ba?
Yes.
Sa ibang kasita meron na.
But most of some of our guests prefer this casita po. Kasi
Privacy.
for privacy and then because you can see no one is in there po.
Yeah.
So no one can see you from your balcony.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright, thank
Sorry about
you.
these po.
All good, no problem.
Thank you po.
Thank you.
Here, going there po, all of the casitas in this lane po are hillside casita, so they have the
Okay.
sea view. But this one po, aside from the sea view, it has its own access to the beachfront. So this beachfront po is similar to what you see at the Lagoon Club, the Japanese restaurant. So basically, the beachfront access is sunrise view. Because
Malayo ba? Hindi.
medyo po, pero we can take a look.
Let's take a look. So, this one, particularly number 40, is the Lux Hillside Casita.
Only the Lux Hillside.
The only one. Ah, okay. Isa lang pala siya. Okay. And then, it has its own, beach access. So, punta tayo. Ah, it's not too far. Dito lang din.
Po, makikita nyo na din naman yun.
Uh-uh.
So, when we change the season po, this is the best casita to book. Especially pag medyo rainy season po, dito yung common side.
Ah, okay. And nag-start yun mga anong month?
Usually po nag-start siya July, August. June po kasi nasa kabila pa rin. Another look naman. Okay.
Wow! Talk about privacy. Ito privacy talaga.
That's right. Then, actually po, this season, as you can see po, medyo stronger yung current compared to the other side of the island.
Oo nga, dito pa lang, oh, kita mo na siya. Wow! So, ayan, dahil mahangin, hinangin na yung yung towels. It's okay. It's okay. Is this the southern part? The southern tip?
Ang southern tip not yet pa po.
Ah, hindi pa.
Kailangan po tayo po.
Okay. Oh my God, grabe, walang katao-tao dito. I might book this the next time.
Especially during the rainy season, sabi ko, because this one is the summer part of the island po pag rainy season. Then sa kabila
so
naman yung
nice.
malakas. Yung ganito.
Oo.
Apo, change din siya ng
So imagine, yun lang yung kasita mo. And then, almost parang sa'yo na to yung stretch. Kasi walang may ibang access.
But on this side naman po, nandito naman yung ibang mga villa.
Villa, okay.
Villa naman po yung nandito na lagoon view or lagoon side.
I see.
Sa sunrise side.
Okay.
So imagine this as calm beachfront. Sobrang ganda po during rainy season.
Yeah. Okay, so we'll check out the deluxe hillside casita. Pero itong mga bikes, I just wanna show them. Complimentary yan. You can request for one. They also have kids bike available. So you can explore the island. Pero kung you wanna work out. Pero of course they have the golf carts.
Each casita po has its
Yeah.
own golf cart.
Okay, stairs again.
Stairs again.
Yeah.
For the deluxe. Sorry po talagang hangin this time.
Oh, it's okay.
For the deluxe hillside casita.
Okay, so as you know, the casitas, they all look the same. Pero, etong deluxe hillside casita, what I want to show you is the view. Grabe. Look at that!
The sunrise.
Sunrise view yun dito. It's so nice. I don't mind having coffee here.
Yeah. Nice.
Okay. Let's go to the next stop.
Been to Gary's Nest naman na po.
Yes,
The
pero
Gary's Nest.
right this trip hindi pa.
Hindi pa. Sige po. We can pass by na lang din.
Oh, pass by na lang tapos kasi baka mamaya pupuntahan namin siya.
Okay. Baka gusto nyo na may element of surprise po later.
Yes.
If you want to explore it by yourself, po just
One thing I'm curious pala. Kada guest ba mini-memorize nyo yung names nila and their kasita?
That's just a man magic po.
Yeah,
Let's
grabe.
just leave it that, a man magic.
Nagugulat ako kasi,
Everyone knows.
oo, parang how do you guys do it? Tapos nagpapalit kayo ng guest every other day or every day. Grabe yun ah.
Part of our Aman magic.
Oh, okay,
Even
nice.
with the room.
Oo.
Sorry.
Yeah.
Farm.
There's the farm.
This is the organic, we call it organic farm. Really organic.
Nice.
And then some herbs po, really helpful din siya talaga sa kitchen. Kasi we get some fresh herbs from this garden as well. That was served in the restaurants. Then, dito naman po, during Amihan season, we have the Kite and Surf Center. So, we don't have enough waves for surfing, but for wind surfing, then some of our guests po just visit Amon Puro for wind surfing and kite surfing during November and December.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Mention this is the Lagoon Club, the Japanese restaurant. Would you like to take
Yes,
a look?
let's take a look. Okay, we're here at the Lagoon Club. This is their Japanese restaurant. And dinner lang.
Yes, only open for dinner from 6 a.m. to 10. Yeah. And then when the season changes na po.
Ay, oh my God, my phone.
Oh my God, I'm really okay po.
Sa sun naman siya.
Yeah. You mentioned about the picnic group po, right? Where we
Yeah.
served the pizzas.
Yes.
So during rainy season naman po, we change it here po. We do have the brick oven din po dito for pizza. So,
Oh, nice. That's the brick oven?
yeah.
Ang laki.
So the tables from there po we set up it here so the guests can enjoy.
And ito, close siya ngayon kasi nga, siya.
Check.
No, it's okay. 6 p.m. to 10 p.m. siya. But this is the beachfront.
It's the same with the beachfront po dun sa Casita Fort.
Yung pinuntahan natin kanina. Oo nga, pwede nilang lakarin dito. So nice. Ang ganda ng colors. Okay, sige. Let's go to the next stop.
Thanks for the It's so hot.
Okay, so unfortunately, yung mga beach casita nila is fully occupied today. Pero if you wanna see what a beach casita looks like, my first video dito sa Amanpulo, I showcased our beach casita. So for now, let's just check out the rest of the resort. Yeah. And they also have, andito naman tayo ngayon sa tennis court nila. So I'll just flash the activity rates, no? But here it is. Ayan. Okay, let's go. Okay, our next stop is the Kids Club. Oh, Sandy's Kids Club na pala yung name niya. Dati Kids Club Lounge to.
Up.
So there, ito yung sa labas niya. They have seesaw, they have slide, and a mini playhouse here. And siguro wag na tayong, I don't wanna video any kids. Check muna natin. Patay ko muna. Wait lang. So this is the inside. They have TV, they have books there, and may playmat dito. There are the toys. They also have nanny services if you wanna leave your kids, like if you're gonna do some activities. And then they have kids activities daily. And dito sa labas, ano po to? Bahay kubo? Or CR? CR, bahay kubo. Ayan, may CR sa labas. Okay, let's go to the next stop. Okay, so we're here at the Picnic Grove. I remember, natutuwa akong maglakad dito kasi para siyang enchanted forest papunta.
So you'll think, what's next? But we also use this for the beachfront of Picnic Grove. We use for special events like weddings, special dinners.
Nakita ko dati nung last kami nagpunta dito, may nag-set up ng parang private dinner. Ang ganda ng setup nila.
Yes. Then we do have lots of guests for intimate weddings lang. Like
Wow.
it's just the two of them.
Usually ba yung mga nagpapakasal dito, are they locals or foreigners?
We have few locals po, but mostly like foreigners.
Foreigners.
we do have like foreign guests who buy out the whole island. Imagine, from the villa to Casitas.
Wow.
And then we have guests from all over the world because their guests are, of course, not just their parang lahat sila are all having fun.
Good.
So,
Oh my
we can
God.
use this access po.
Ah, this one, okay.
This is the picnic field po. Open for lunchtime. Like 11:30 to 3 p.m.
Ang ganda ng setup nila, parang Maldives. Uy, parang dito lang may music played, no?
More chill vibe.
Yeah. Nice. Okay, let's check out the beachfront here. Ang ganda.
Next to you, Casita lang po ito.
Oo. Pero hindi pa namin napuntahan this trip. Wow. Sobrang ganda ng kulay ngayon at this hour.
That's right. Good choice.
Yeah.
It's really hot, Ross. The view is stunning this time.
Yeah. Okay, actually yung kasita namin dito lang, katabi lang.
Yeah.
Alright.
Same view, same beautiful. Kasi po dito parang mas malaki yung beach front.
Yeah.
So, kaya perfect po talaga siya for weddings, for private dinners.
Okay, let's go to our next stop. Okay, so we're here at the West Villa Clubhouse. So, mini replica siya ng main clubhouse nila. May echo, no? Kasi wala talagang tao.
No staff is in here, but the guests are welcome to use the pool until 9 p.m. Because it's the main
Oh!
clubhouse po, the pool is open until
6 lang.
p.m. for the private use. Those who are having dinner.
I might have surreal swim here later since walang stargazing today.
Correct. So until 9. And
Until
this
9.
is just for 4 feet. So it's really, you can really monitor your children here.
Okay.
Because at the main po, it's 7 feet.
Oo, pababa siya.
So at least
Okay.
you're 4 feet all the way.
Alright. Thank you. Okay, so this is the West Villa Tennis Court. So they have the tennis court, they have the pickleball here, and the basketball court. It's so nice. Parang mas maganda to kaysa the other one, no? Mas bago ba to?
Yes po.
Alright, so yeah, there you go.
Like multi-purpose court.
Okay, let's go to our next stop.
Park of, to just park your club car there was a parking area because the road is kind of steep.
Yeah. So this is the spot. This is the highest point in the island. So pag pupunta kayo dito, usually doon lang sa baba and then may susundo naman.
That's right.
Yeah.
So we'll pick you up.
Okay. Let's check out the spa. Good morning. Oh my God. Look at that view. Ang ganda. Wow. Do you have a spa menu po? Yeah. Let's just take a look at their spa menu here. Okay. They have lots of services. There. They have a salon. They have kids massage din. So, pag nandito kayo sa Amanpulo, you really have to try their spa. Isa to sa mga pinagmamalaki nila. There. Okay. Okay, let's check out one of the spa rooms. Yung attention to detail. Tinan mo, may ganyan pa so you can sit, diba? Ayan.
This is one of the chickens.
Okay. What's in here? Ah,
Changing po.
okay. Changing room.
Changing. This one is for the toilet.
This is the toilet.
And then, some of the guests po before the massage nag-shower muna or nag-tub.
That's good. Tingnan mo naman yung view mo habang nasa tub ko.
Yes.
Yeah.
And then, of course, the treatment.
This is the treatment room. I wish you could smell it here.
I like the smell.
Ang bango. Nakaka-relax agad yung smell. Alright. Thank you po.
Welcome.
Let's go to our next stop. Okay, so this is the spa and just across it, ito yung gym nila. Although di na tayo papasok kasi may mga guests, pero yeah, just right across. Yeah. Okay, let's go to our next stop.
This one po, a healing garden. Pero basically, an open area po or a view deck where you can see the Sulusi.
Wow, meron pala. I didn't even know about this.
They just wanted
Oo. They have a healing garden and it's a viewing deck. Oh my gosh!
some of our guests will just use this venue for painting, during sunset or sunrise.
Grabe.
Those
Do you need to book this or you can just visit then?
You can just visit po. Well, anyways, most of the facilities po are always first come, first serve.
So nice. Grabe, nakakatuwa. I didn't know this at all.
Really?
Yeah, thank you, Jam. Okay, and then dito, may chair.
Chair.
Yeah.
Some of the guests also use this po as like their outdoor yoga. So
Oh.
just set up here. And then they do paintings as well.
Grabe, kasi naman the view, oh. I hope the camera can show it, no?
Yeah. Can justify the
Yeah. Ayan, try natin mag-zoom in. There. Okay. Let's go to our next stop. Yeah. And of course, our last stop for today is the Beach Club. So in this restaurant, you can have breakfast, lunch, and dinner. And dito nyo makikita yung famous photo ng Amanpulo. Before we go inside, ayan, kita nyo na agad yung beach dito. Amazing colors. I'll just show the restaurant here kasi may guests, so hindi na tayo lalakad papasok, pero I'll show you the entrance. Pero yan, that's the restaurant. And this is the beach. Pasok tayo and then I'll show you yung pinakaharap lang. Okay, so this is the beach club front. So ito yung, di lang ganong kita, pero yeah, ito yung usually nakikita nyo sa photos. They have the best beachfront for me. There. Ayan. Okay. Okay, as bonus tip, sige, pakita na lang natin din ulit tong beach casita natin. So, like what I've said, pare-parehas lang yung itsura niya actually. The only difference is the location. So, dito, if we go out, you will see the access to the beach. So, sorry, may mga nakasampay pa kaming damit dyan, pero Yeah, so that's our beach access. And yung beachfront niya is the same dun sa may picnic grove. So yan. Sige, let's check out the beach path. Okay, so dito yung daan. If you're staying in a beach casita, you would have this beach access. Tapos dito sa left, you would have the hammock. So pwede ka mag-relax dyan. And this is the beachfront. There. And you have your beach bed here. So yung pinakamaraming type of accommodations dito sa Amanpulo are the beach casitas. Kasi nga, you get to have this, your very own beachfront. Okay, so that's it for our Amanpulo Island tour for today. Hopefully nag-enjoy kayo and you have a very good idea what Amanpulo has to offer. So yun lang muna for today. I'll see you later. Bye!